Hello teacher. We group last then and the topic we choose is the telehealth system app. We create an app and name it Telecare 19. This is our group member and their contribution. We have 5 members and each member will handle each part of our presentation. We divide our presentation into 5 parts. The introduction will talk by me, Đức. The technique will talk by Dương. Nhân will talk about the main feature. Vinh will show you how to use the app, and Tài will demo for you. Next, Dương will talk about the technique.
Okay, my name is Trùng Dương, and I will be talking about project techniques. Firstly, this project uses coding language as it supports well in implementation and design of mobile app. Secondly, we use Firebase to handle user authentication, and it serves as a database to store user data and appointment data. Next, we also use Client, an open source Android Studio media framework that manage tasks like capture, extraction, and display of photos, especially in features like news within the app. And lastly, the app is programmed on IDE Android Studio. Its libraries play a crucial role in our app development. Components like navigations are employed for navigating between fragments, and while view model facilitates efficient data storage. The use of view binding enhanced code management and interactivity. Next will be Nhân.
Hello teacher, I am Nhân and I will talk about the main features of the application. First of all is making an appointment as users schedule a date for a medical examination to a doctor. Secondly, text chatting is another way to contact a doctor to get benefit information and listen to their advice. When you text something and the doctor will see it and reply back to you. Lastly, reading news makes an important contribution to help users update information accurately and practically. Users can read news besides making an appointment for more convenient. And the next part is the usage of the application and when we tell you.
Hello everyone, my name is Vinh. I will introduce you how to use the app. Let's begin with the authentication interface. The Telecare 19 app offers two representation options, one for doctor and another for patient. Next, we will explore the interface doctor interface. So, um, which consists of the main page and the doctor profile page. On the main page, doctor can view a list of appointments, blog the doctor provides in the doctor profile page on relevant information is displayed. Doctor have the option to click the edit button to update their information or delete their account. Moving to on to the patient interface, it includes the main page, patient profile page, appointment interface, and message interface. The main page displays a list of doctors along with their information. When patients find doctor they are comfortable with, they can click on the doctor profile to access the appointment interface and schedule meeting. Additionally, patients can use the new icon in the header bar to check the new message, the calendar icon to view their appointments, the chat icon to send message to the doctor, or the profile icon to update their personal information or delete their information, their account. Patient can log out of other app by clicking the X icon. Lastly, there is new interface as accessible by clicking the new icon in the header bar. This interface allows doctor and patient to read news from government electronic newspaper. Next part is the demo app, and Antai will tell you more about this.
Now I will demo to you our application. As you can see, there are two others in our application. First is a doctor, and the second is patient. Now I will move to the patient first. First of all, we will need an account to log in our applications. So I will click on a register to create an account. Now I will fill out this information that required to complete the registration stage. For the email of the patients, there's email must end with the patient.com, and so do the doctor. There's the doctor email must end with by the doctor.com. Now I will click this button to make a request, create an account to the Firebase service. As you can see here, this informed that we had to create successfully. So now I had a login successfully into the application. In the patient's homepage, you can see that here is a list of doctors that we had created before. And on the head of the bar, there are many features such as news. Here, news about the medicines. We choose to render. In here, you can see every news about the medicine here. And the next feature is a list appointment about me, but now I haven't created any appointment yet, so it will got nothing. Now I will create appointment to show you. So I will make appointment to this doctor. Here is every information about the doctor, his name, last name, his age, and the important is about the profession. You can write your note here. And I will choose the day to make it. For example, I choose today and time. You can see I will, for example, I will write 5 a.m. So it will got error because the work hour of this application just take from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So I will choose again about time. So now we had to create successfully the appointment, and in the appointment feature, it will have the detailed appointment that I just created. And in the next feature is about chat function. About the chat function, our team just developed in the progress about 50% because some technical issues we can divide the receive the message and the type message because we have two models. First is a doctor, and second is a user, is a patient model. But we can handle and get stuck in a function logic. So it's just in progress about 50%. But I can show you that every function here can be worked now. So for example, I can type a message, type something, and click send a message, and the message will render here. So until now, our chat function can work like this, and I hope in the future we will develop it complete and run successfully. Next feature is about the profile of the users. You can see here's render area the information about my account, and there are two buttons here. First is edit, and the other is delete. About the edit, you can change your password if you want. So I can show you if I change the password like this. So if that means we had a change password successfully, and the other is delete the account. And the last feature is logout function. Now I will log out to show you. And now we will move to the doctor role. To skip, we will skip the registration because it's still the same with the other one. So I will just type the account that I just created before.
1, 2, 3.
So you can see that here for the doctor's homepage, if we have a list appointment, and you can see here's the button one Nguyễn is the appointment I just create about 5 minutes before by the button account. And here is a profile feature about the doctor's account. Every version just the same as the button. Here's the news, and here's the chat, but still not complete. And the last is logout functions. So this is our demo. Thanks for watching. Now Doug will tell you about future works that my group will develop in the future.
Last but not least is the future work.
Bật đàn mở mic lên Đức ơi.
Last but not least is about the future work that we hope we can do in the future. We will enhance the chat function. We create some function like call function, voice recognition, and maybe some function about the healthcare. We can choose our sickness, and then it will send it immediately to the doctor. Okay. Next is thank you teacher for give us a excellent topic that we have to create an app and can improve our education that we learn from you. Thank you and goodbye.